In this Sendspark review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Sendspark. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll provide a discounted link so you can get your money's worth. Sendspark is a software that allows you to create personalized videos to scale your outreach, your onboarding, and your customer service. So, once you get started, you'll be on the main page right here. Now, you can see you have your library, you have your video library overall, your personal library, your team library, your request library, and some templates too. But we'll get back into the templates. We'll get through all of this really quickly and really soon. So now, remember the goal is you're trying to create personal videos that you can edit and send out to different workers, or you're trying to request videos from workers or possible employees, anybody that's useful to your business. You're trying to just get a really nice, well-made video out for them. So what you can do, you have your library right here, and you just got opulent tools, you can manage a library. Now, what you can do, you can start a recording. Once you start this recording, essentially you choose between your camera, your screen, or both, and you can upload a video here as well if you want to. So what would happen is with the camera, if you click that, it'll show your camera reflected back to you. You can just speak into your webcam and the video be created. With screen, it records your screen for you. So if you don't necessarily have an inbuilt screen recorder on your device, this can help you create one. And you can do both as well, where you can get both the camera and the screen and make really efficient kind of videos. And you can customize the header here and the message and the call to action here. Now we won't do this. We're going to close this because we're going to see what it's like in a video I already created. Now I've just created this video right here, just recorded myself, just sitting there, just saying hello. Wasn't really long, wasn't really anything, but just to show again, that's how the camera feature works. We can just upload a video of your own here, and we can put a header as well, opulent if you want to, and just put a message if you want it to be a personalized message, introduction, and right there. And we have a call to action. Again, if you have a button text, you can put that underneath or put a URL and they can click it through and get to whatever you're trying to sell them in this video. And that button text will be here as well. So you can see above, you can track the different uses of this video. So you can copy an Outlook thumbnail, copy the page preview, or download the video yourself. Then analytics, you click this, and again, this will all be 0 because we haven't shared this video yet. It's not a public video. So essentially, if it was, you'd be able to see how many people have viewed it, who's played, who's clicked, who's liked, and just, sample data in general. I mean, go on sample data right here. So again, this isn't real, but, say someone from San Francisco, single view, a viewer, just all from different places. And again, you have all the information about them. You can trim the video as well if you want to. So, you can mess around with the timing. So again, it's a 3-second video, so there's not much really going to trim, but it's just useful to have anyways. Yep, then you'll save it. Again, it wouldn't really mean much as, again, you're only saving a 1 second trim from a 3-second video. You save, you can undo it as well if you want to, so not all hope is lost. Then you can edit the thumbnail as well. Again, the thumbnail isn't anything special because it's just me sat there talking. But, if you want to choose specific, you put the text overlay, opulent logo overlay. If you want a logo, upload it from your computer if you want to. Logo 1 right there, so we've got the logo. And then, you can edit preview, edit some styles, if you want to get the text color to be a bit different. It's white right now, we'll make it somewhat blue, that'll be quite nice. Get the blue there. Banner background color, again, you can make it blue if you want to, show the banner if you don't want to. Again, the play button, you can edit everything within this thumbnail. Even the logo overlay, the shape of it as well, if you want a circle to a square, and yeah, that's just how you can do that. And even the duration. So you save it once again just to get it all made for you. Great, so that's made. You've edited the thumbnail and then custom intros as well. So if you have another video that you'd like as a custom intro, you can get that in, but we don't have that, so we don't really do much of that. Then you go to suggestions, Google, an animated thumbnail has been copied, so Google have suggestions. Then you can copy the link as well, so copy the link to the video, so you can send it, and you can preview the share page when you do share it, and you have it right here just to play. That's what it'll look like for people who are getting this video. And then you can share it naturally. So what this can do, you can copy a linked GIF or copy the link itself. So the linked GIF would just be this, or you can just copy the link for the video as we did before. Again, you can share with, you know, HubSpot Sales Hub, HubSpot Marketing Hub, Outreach. Then you can embed it as well. So you can embed the website or embed the platforms. And then socials, if you connect any social medias, LinkedIn, Twitter, you know, Gmail even, you can share it right there, and you can download it yourself if you want to as well. The thumbnail or the video, you choose. And once that's done, you can just close it, and that video will be made for you right there. And you can duplicate it if you want to, share it again, or move it to any place you want to, and more, rename it or delete it. And you have some nice filters here as well if you made a long amount of videos. You can do a team library as well, so you can get a team to create a bunch of videos rather than just you. So this is where your team can look at all the videos are created and they can all contribute towards it. Or you can request videos as well. If you copy a request link and you send it through to someone else, they click on that link and they'll be taken straight to a recording page like we saw with our own, and they can record a video for you. Don't have any requested videos to show yet, as we don't have anyone to request to, but it's right there. And templates as well. You can have these templates, you know, created just for you and usually made by the team. Again, you know, the different ways. Nice to meet you, quick intro, different headers you can put for the templates, and it'll essentially create that for you. Again, go team overview and see how many videos you've made, total plays, likes and clicks, and your top 10 videos if you've made a lot in general. So that's quite good. And manage team. Again, you can add teammates through different emails, or you can just manage the teams with who you have already. Again, it's just myself, there's no team. But once you get that team sorted, you can just go through all of them and see who works best with what, and add new members in general if you want to as well. And you can get rid of this just on a miscellaneous note if you don't want the entire section taking up the screen. And yeah, and if you need any help, you go to this widget right here, and you can send them a message or just search for help here, and they're very responsive and they'll help you as quickly as they can. And you can do it with tutorials for the application as well. Take them to the YouTube channel and they'll help you through Sendspark. Right here, you can see it. Overall, Sendspark is very useful. It's really effective and very efficient. It helps you create videos and edit these videos really quickly and really easily. And I think I can definitely recommend it for group video calls or group meetings or any sort of business that requires a video interaction. It's very useful for that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll provide a discounted link. Thank you for your time.